What are linting rules?
The linting rules are guidelines used by tools called linters to check your code for potential errors, stylistic issues, and best practice violations. These rules help maintain code quality and consistency in projects, making collaboration smoother and reducing bugs before they become problems.
Why customize linting?
Not every project has the same needs. Customizing linting rules lets you align code style and standards with your team's preferences and your project's unique requirements. This avoids unnecessary warnings, enforces your chosen conventions, and ensures the linting process supports, rather than interrupts, your daily workflow.
How to configure linting.
To configure linting, start by choosing a linter like eslint or pylint and adding a configuration file, such as .eslintrc or .pylintrc to your project. In this file, you can enable, disable, or adjust individual rules. Most linters let you extend popular style guides, then override specific rules as needed.
Tips for effective linting.
Involve your team when defining rules so the configuration reflects group consensus. Regularly review and update rules as your code base evolves. Use automation by integrating linting into your build or continuous integration system. This ensures everyone's code is checked before it's merged, keeping standards high.
Balancing strictness and flexibility.
While strict linting can catch mistakes early, being too rigid can slow development. Find a balance by enforcing rules that matter most for quality and readability, but allow flexibility in less critical areas. Remember, linting should help you write better code, not become a barrier to progress.